unlisted. Stop choosing public. Choose private and unlisted. Stop choosing public. When you enter on your studio.youtube.com, you will enter on your channel. On your channel, select settings. On settings, select advanced settings. Please choose private or unlisted before choosing public. It is very important to know that. In case of a copyright, if you upload a video or a short on your channel and they have a copyright, maybe there is a music on the background when you're shooting your videos, then that song have maybe a copyright. When you upload it, when you choose private when you choose private or unlisted, it will give you a chance to make sure that your channel have no strikes from the YouTube algorithm, because when you choose private or unlisted, you have a chance not your channel will not be on strike before deletion. It can be deleted by the YouTube if there is a strike, and there is a copyright on your channel. It is very important to know that in the case of a copyright on YouTube, your channel will not strike your channel. Instead, they will send an email. If there is a copyright and the YouTube algorithm they are set to delete your channel, they will not do it. There will be no strikes on your channel. Instead, you will get an email because you have chosen private or unlisted. Yes, if you choose private or unlisted after uploading your video, let it stay like that maybe 2 to 3 hours to give a chance to a YouTube algorithm to be able to analyze your video well, to get which audience to send to. Yes, you give a chance to the YouTube algorithm. They are able to know which audience is this channel or this video we can suggest to. Yes, you give. So before you put it into the public, let it stay for 2 to 3 hours with the private or unlisted, and this will help you to grow on YouTube and you get more views. Yes, and subscribers if you follow this strategy. Yes, welcome. You choose unlisted or a private. You give the YouTube algorithm a chance to analyze your video or a short to get the people who they can suggest or recommend to, or the audience to recommend to. Maybe it's the use of AI, they put them to AI. If it's the other people of tutorials, they will give to people of tutorial. If it's a song, it will have, yes, they will categorize or analyze your video, and they will see which is the best people to recommend or suggest to. Yes, give that time to YouTube algorithm, and this will increase your channel. You will increase your views and your subscribers with time. Yes, without you knowing. Yes, give chance to YouTube algorithm and you will go far. My channel, I'm Tiza Karaoke. Please subscribe down below on my channel and share, comment or like, and you will be able to know more about my tutorials of the growth of the YouTube and how to educate people about how to grow as a smallest content creator, and you learn more on my channel. Please subscribe and you learn more. YouTube algorithm will suggest or recommend your videos to the right audience. That is number 3. Yes, when you upload your video on your channel, then the YouTube algorithm, when you put it at unlisted or private, you give time to YouTube algorithm to be able to recommend or suggest your video to the right people or to the right audience. Yes, they are able to analyze where to put it, because YouTube, they have community guidelines. Make sure you they are able to look even on your channel. Are you following community guidelines for the YouTube? Make sure you make sure that your channel are following the right community guideline. You are not uploading pornography, you are not doing spamming, you are not doing sub to sub. All of these, the YouTube algorithm stuff, when you put it at other unlisted or private, they are able to analyze your channel and they recommend and suggest it to the right audience. Yes, this is the key. Yes, they are able to put it and suggest your video to the right people, because the video which is not analyzed or suggested, it is not going to get views. It doesn't get the right views. Yes, because it is not analyzed and it is not on the right place. Yes, please subscribe down below and may God bless you. On studio.youtube.com, enter or click. When you click on studio.youtube.com, you will enter on your channel. This is my channel. Go to channel customization so that you select settings. Yes. On your channel, you'll see settings. This is settings. Click settings. When you click settings, you click upload default. Upload default. On upload default, you'll see basics. On basic info, you select public, private or unlisted. You'll select public, private or unlisted, and that is the thing or how to go to public,